Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Great job so far. We've covered the first characteristic, the type of data. Now, let's move on to the second one, system architecture. This is where things get really interesting, because the way blockchain is structured is very different from most systems you probably use every day. Let's explore what peer-to-peer distributed actually means. Most systems we use, like a bank or a social media platform, use what's called a centralized architecture. There's one main server that stores everything. You connect to it to get your data. Blockchain is completely different. It uses a peer-to-peer distributed architecture. Here's what that means. First, every computer in a network stores a copy of the same data. Not just one server, but every single participant has the full data. Second, no computer controls any other computer. There's no boss, no central authority. Everyone is equal. That's what peer-to-peer means. So instead of one big server, imagine a network of hundreds or thousands of computers, all holding the same information, all working together without any single point of control. Cool, right? But why does this matter? Let's see. So putting it all together, blockchain is a peer-to-peer distributed transaction data store. This means when a new transaction happens, it doesn't go to one central server. It gets shared across the entire network. Every node, every participant gets a copy. This is the foundation of what makes blockchain so trustworthy. Because no single person or company owns the data, no single person or company can secretly change it. It's like if you send a receipt for your purchase to every single person in your neighborhood. Good luck trying to secretly change the price after that. Everyone else still has the original. So how does transaction data spread across all these computers? Through a process called the gossip protocol. It works exactly like gossip does in real life. When something new happens, a transaction, it gets shared with the computers directly connected to you. Those computers then share it with the computers connected to them, and so on and so on. Very quickly, the information reaches everyone in the network. Just like gossip spreading through a school, by lunchtime, everyone knows. This might sound informal, but it's actually a very efficient and reliable way to distribute data across a large network without needing a central coordinator. Here's a huge benefit of this distributed approach: reliability. In a centralized system, if the main server goes down, everyone loses access to the data. It's a single point of failure. Yikes! But in blockchain's peer-to-peer system, if one computer fails, no problem. The data is still available on hundreds or thousands of other computers. The network keeps running without interruption. Imagine if every computer in the network went down except one. That one computer still has the complete intact copy of all the data. The system survives. This is called high availability, and it's one of blockchain's biggest strengths. The data is always there, always accessible. Okay, that's for now. Stay tuned for the next video where we'll dive even deeper. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.